fucking.
I got one.
Oh my god.
Yellow, very yellow.
Very yellow, very yellow. Oh my god. Treat this with caution. Careful.
He has no shield, completely yellow. Looking perfect. There it is. You hate to see it.
You really just do hate to see that, man. You really do. Like, that was crazy.
Ooh, okay, I see you. I see you, bro. You ain't gotta worry.
Oh, hey, mods. Oh! No way! Oh my god!
That is how you kill someone in a room. I don't even want to kill you. I'm done. I'm actually feeling sick.
About to lose to this game, man. Get a 1v. He has a deagle, man. What is it?
Sir. You see someone?
Alright, boys. I'm gonna teach you how to turbo farm in this game called Fortnite. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your keybinds and you're gonna bind your, where is it at? This shit right here, locker emote slot 1. Bind it to your right mouse button. I want you guys to put the wave emote in your first slot so that every single time I press right click when I have my harvesting tool out, I'll wave. So what you do is you hit and then the wave cancels out the next animation to hit, and then you hit twice as fast, but you can only do it every other hit. So what I'm gonna do is just boom, emote, boom, emote, boom, emote. Yeah, it's just easy, bro. Easy. Yo, I'm doing a video, bro.
You're gonna do one of those plays. Bucket! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! No fucking way!
What? Dude, what the? Oh! My god!
You're dead, Carson. Bye. That guy can't hit you.
Trump's trying to click me, dude.
This thing's OP. 100%. Can't hide in bushes versus this thing.
G, to G, scazzo.
Che è successo?
Non mi si è fermato l'omino.
Ok, fatto.
Fuck them.
Yeah, fuck them. Let's go. Did the gentle survive? Oh, you got it. Nice. What can you do against that?
Oh shit. He's so good. He's so good.
Yeah.
Oh no, Ethan.
I had no health.
Oh, you got
I just killed someone with a pistol.
Oh, those guys are like really up. Oh!
Oh shit.
Dude, that headshot was dope.
Can you land in the water safely?
No.
Oh. Oh shit. Fuck off.
Hello?
Yo, Hammonds, I love you.
Jesus, man.
Oh my god!
Con konnichiwa. Konbanwa.
Alright. Listen. Listen. Boy, you built like a toaster strudel, ramen noodles. I bought a dog and that thing a poodle. Ooh, look at your head, bitch, it's built weird. I ain't playing. Kokona, he sipping big beers, big doinks. Man, I give you ding-a-ling, that's my goddamn point. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm shooting the hoops, I'm sucking flutes, I'm about to eat your booty do. I don't know what I be talking, but I'm about to get to walking. Look at my feet when they dancing on the ground. I ain't playing when I dookie is brown. Man, I'm going in my booty round, I ain't playing.
I could tell by
Over
the
here to our
web.
west.
Ooh, this guy right here. I got him. I hit him.
Another one. Dude, you're
killed him.
crazy. This guy's crazy. Don't, you're
killed
killing
him.
everyone.
I killed that
Dude,
guy
who
too.
are you?
That was awesome, guys. That was our very first. Aw. So many nice people out there in the world. Guys, okay, well.
I'm gonna die. I want a long range. Thank you! Finally! Did nobody call it out in the chat? That actually helped me. Oh! No, that I actually didn't.
Wow.
Hey, Ben. Hey, say hello to Nemo for me.
Ben, to be fair, you understand that was a really hard position, right? Like they would have just spammed us out. Wow.
Hey Ben, tell Nemo I said hello.
Wow.